Hello, welcome back to my channel, White Mechanical Engineers. This time we talking about the survival kit, especially for you that want to camping. I think you need this. The price not so expensive. It's 20 US dollar or 25 US dollar. So this is the review of a survival kit. The brand is what the brand is Almighty Eagle. Okay, let's see what inside this Almighty Eagle. First, open it. I just bought this through online. Okay, open it. So what you have here, you have a Scoope. One and Scoope. The material is quite good. I think this. I don't think this is a stainless steel, but I think this is a metal with alloy with nickel. I think. So this the Scoope, and you can bend like this. And as well, if you don't want to bend, you just so this is the screw, tighten and screw here. So looks like that nice, yeah. So I think that is can also be used as a weapon, I think, yeah, to defend yourself from the maybe wild animal or etc. And this also can be used to grind something, and this very not very sharp one also to dig something. So this is a scoop to dig, yeah. If you want maybe to dig the soil and etc., want to cut by this, to cut wood and etc. And also for traditional farming you can also put like this, yeah. Yeah, so you can dig the soil or the ground. Okay, so what else they have there? What else? Let's say you want to put vertical like this. So what else they have? Yeah, inside they have a extension stick, so maybe you want to extend this more. But interesting things that good, yeah, they have a compass here. So if you lost, yeah, so you have a reference global position, not global position, directions. So it's very helpful, yeah, I think. And another extension stick, but this extension stick, they have a sharp things here, yeah, maybe to break the stone or etc. Yeah, and something nice inside. So let's check what inside. Oh, they have a what they call fluid, yeah. So in case you want help, yeah, so you make a sound, yeah, can make a sound like this. Interesting, yeah. So they have a compass, yeah, and they have this sound. So I put it in. What else is that? It looks like nice. Oh, they have a screw as well. Yes, screwdriver is screw is if you want to open something in dangerous positions, open the screw and say it's very helpful, yeah. And what else they have? Let's open. Oh, they have a knife. They have a knife. It's very interesting to defend yourself or to cut something. It's quite sharp, I think, yeah? They have a knife. Yeah. And what else? I think nothing. There's nothing else. So if you want to extend, just make an extension like this. It become longer, and you want to extend more, you just extend with this. And the knife, they have a screw here, you have to stick in the knife. So how they stick in, okay, maybe not here. Not here as well. I don't know how they want to stick in these things. Let me check. Screw here. No. I already opened. No. Okay, let me find it later on, because let me check if they say it's a manual. This knife still clueless, how they put, but they have a thread here. It's very good. The material, I think, aluminum. And okay, while we're waiting for that, so we can discuss this kind of things. Why black? It's anodized to protect for corrosion. Interesting things also, the handle here is the grip handle here is with a profile like this, so it's not easy for you to slip in, so it's make it your handling friction strongly to your hand. So it's good design. And interesting thing, they also have the marking of length unit here in cm, I think. In cm. Okay, very strong one. And as I mentioned before, that you can make it longer if you want. Just connected it together. Don't miss out this compass. Just replace these things. And this connector. Yeah, it's very long now. It's around half meter, so it can be very strong. Yeah, can be very strong. It's a worth to buy this. Yeah, and then what interesting things and for the design. Yeah, and for the material is a black anodized to protect you for the corrosion. Yeah, that's a good things. I think if they make it from stainless steel, the cost is not there. Yeah, so maybe they have for stainless steel. Yeah. But one thing I want to add to this design, yeah, if possible, maybe inside this tube we make a they can make a battery, yeah, in case in urgent situation you need lights at night, very dark maybe, yeah. So put it here, yeah, and make a LED light around here, and you can open it by plastic or etc. And another maybe I need to review, yeah. uh, if possible, yeah, when you flip this thing, when you flip this like this, how to make it as flat as possible, yeah? How to make it as flat as possible. Yeah. But in general, these are worth it tools, only 25 US dollars, and to reduce the risk, yeah, when you are doing camping or maybe finding something in the jungle in or other place, yeah, very interesting equipment, and also design to protect yourself from uh, anything dangerous, so it can be also used as a weapon, yeah, for you. So that's my review. Another, the final ones, the brand like this. I'm not related to this company, but I like to make a review if the product actually came to me with sophisticated design and worth it. So everything product made is must satisfy in the eyes of customer. So for this, I'm happy and I recommend you to use this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.